Hi children, we will have again experiments today. Today's experiment is boiling water in a balloon. We know the balloon is too flexible, very soft. It won't withstand heat at all. If I hold it on fire, it will just get burnt. Can I fill air into this and hold it on the fire? It will definitely get burst. Now what we are going to do, we fill water into this balloon. Children, I have the balloon ready here. See, if you pour water into the balloon, it will not go easily inside because water cannot make the balloon expand. So the best thing would be to have the mouth of the balloon fixed to the tap and allow water to enter in, and I have enough water here. Now I hold this balloon on the flame. Let's see what happens. ನಾವು balloon ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, balloonಗೆ ನೀರನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪೂರ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಕಪ್ಪಿನಷ್ಟು ನೀರಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೀಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೂನು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಉಷ್ಣತೆಯನ್ನು ಅದು ಉಷ್ಣವನ್ನು ಹೀರಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನೀರಿನ ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಲೂನ್ ಉಳಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? The exact reason is that the balloon won't absorb heat easily. It absorbs and immediately it passes on that heat to the water inside. ಬೆಲೂನ್ ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ತಾನು ಹೀರಿಕೊಂಡ ಉಷ್ಣವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನೀರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲೂನ್ನ ಒಳಗಿರುವ ನೀರಿನ ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬೆಲೂನ್ ಒಡಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಉಷ್ಣತೆ ಏರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಏರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಲೂನಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ತರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಇದು. See, the balloon will not get heated up. What will it do? Whatever heat it gets, it will pass it on to the water inside. The temperature of the water will increase and the balloon remains safe. So the balloon, though it is very soft, thin, and there is every possibility that it may break, when it is brought near a flame, will not break at all, as it passes on the heat to the water inside the balloon. It's a beautiful experiment. Children, please do. You do it. You see and try to learn from this. Okay? Thank you. You can see the soot there, soot of the flame. Very nice. But have your adults by the side as you do. Don't take it just as fun. You should be able to learn a little bit of science by doing this experiment. Thank you, children.